So Ryan from Newground came over the other day and brought me my new fabric. He said I probably need to adjust these out. This is the Rainfly. He's got some new plastic here. The other one had just a mesh. And then this can also zip up. And then you can also roll it up there. So this one's nice. Some new features. I'm gonna put it up just a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna leave it down because it is pretty dark on the inside. I want to show you guys, but it's got some new features that are super nice. This canvas now covers this Rainfly, comes down here and covers all this up, and it is nice and taut now. Is it up all the way? Yeah. And then these little flaps right here. This is the port that you can put in your heater, your AC. You have to get like a little reducer, we'll see. And the bungee system, so we had to pull the other one out. Put this one in. It was a little bit of an effort, but it wasn't too bad. This new canvas is a lot thicker, and then this makes for a super dark interior. Oh my gosh, it is warm, so I'm going to brave this for a second. So it is about 10 o'clock midday, and it is super dark in here, like super dark. This is the vent here. And almost, I mean, some light gets in, but it's way better than it used to be. Way better. And then, it all opens up. Super excited about it. Has the vents here. Oh, it's so warm up in here. Let's get out of here for a minute. So he said this is the new fabric they're going to have going forward. Let's see. Oh, nice. You can do. Just the inner fabric. toggles are on the inside. So you can keep the bugs out, have that rolled up on the inside. All right. I need another handle right there. These go all the way up to the top, and there's some toggles up there. I think you really got to be on the inside of the camper to take advantage of those. I'm gonna just leave it like this. I'm gonna do some drone shots right after I get some extra shade. Oops. All right.